very hot Bacolod City. Today I went downtown this morning and I've seen something amazing. Something I thought would never ever happen. Come on, I'll show you. Illegal parking, he's getting told off. What I want to show you is just down here. First of all, I have to get through this traffic. It's Monday morning and traffic's a nightmare. It's a real art getting through the traffic here in Bacolod City. Here it is. Look, I think someone's actually fixing it. There's someone up there working. Halandumon Tower is actually being fixed at last. Well, it looks like they're fixing it. They're either fixing it or breaking it some more, one of the two. At least they're doing something to it. It's been abandoned for months. Checking from the other side. Yes, definitely work in progress. I hope they actually finish it. That would be amazing. Just opposite Central Market now. I'm checking from all sides to see what's going on. Is Central Market quite busy out today? And the illegal street vendors are back. Oh, I think she's got a ticket. More illegal parking. They're being quite strict at the moment. Right, I'm just going to check again from the other side. Can't believe my eyes. Work is in progress on Halandumon Tower. Hopefully soon we'll see all the scaffolding gone, at last. Well, just a quick video to show you the updates of the city. It's a really hot day, perfect for a cold coconut. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.